Here's a cool car to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1954 Plymouth Plaza two-door club sedan. This car was restored approximately 10 years ago. Not many miles put on it since it was restored. Originally sold new in Kansas, then spent much of its life in Arizona before coming to the Midwest. Like I said, stored approximately 10 years ago. Not many miles put on it since it was restored, and it shows. Very nice condition. Let's take a look at this. Chrome bumper, grille, headlights, surrounds, a lot of bright work on the front of this one. Inline six-cylinder underneath the hood. That's paired up with a manual transmission. 3-speed on the column. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Radial tires, steel wheels, the beauty rings, and the Plymouth center caps. And you can see paint has a nice shine to it. There's a 3-ring binder that will go along with this. It has some miscellaneous paperwork on the car. There's also a service manual and a binder that will go along with it. We're going to send some of the extra fabric that was left from doing the interior and the headliner. That'll go along with it, as well as a car cover. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that interior out a little bit closer. First of all, you can see not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches down this passenger side. Very stock looking dash. The chrome and the bright work on the interior of the car also looking good, as well as the chrome in the rear bumper. Couple notes from the technician on this one. Did mention the gauges work in it. Fuel gauge was slightly off. Wipers work. Front and rear brake pads are new. Also has a new master cylinder. Did note the blower motor, like the heater, was in off. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, as we take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see driver's side free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these mid-50s classics, or maybe just Plymouths in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Do have the protector by the door handle, also the rock guard. Cool items on this car. There's a good look at the door panels. And seating surfaces, really free of any major rips, tears, holes. Like I said, not driven a lot since restoration work was done, and it shows. Headliner all good. Not a car you see every day either, no doubt about that. I think we should fire it up. See how it sounds. So again, inline 6, shifter on the column here, you can see. Alright, if you're watching the gauges there, see the amp meter came up, fuel gauge, oil pressure's up, and temp gauge, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Dash looks good. Sure, we're neutral. We'll take a peek underneath the hood too. Let you see the engine bay. That door closed nice. And stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's that car cover, by the way, that'll go with it. How's that for a smooth, quiet runner? Alright, let me pause this 1 second real quick. I want to get this hood popped. Check out that engine bay. Alright, here's a good look underside of the hood. Even that trouble light or under hood light's working. Don't always see that. Look at this engine bay. The 6-volt system, yeah. That's the way it would have came. There's that inline 6. Look at how smooth that thing's running. Good looking engine bay. Nice and clean and tidy. 1954 Plymouth Plaza 2-door club sedan. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. All those still pictures. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very smooth running 1954 Plymouth Plaza. This is a 2-door car. And it is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Which if you can drive a clutch, you can drive a 3-on-the-tree. The wipers work on this car. Got a little bit of traffic to wait for. Green exterior, mostly green interior. Very period looking car. Fresh out of 1954. Our fuel gauge reads a little less than half of a tank. The amps are over halfway on the gauge, so that means it is charging the battery. The oil pressure is about 50 psi, which is over halfway on the oil pressure gauge, and the temperature is a third of the way up. All those gauges are looking good. We have a suicide knob on the steering wheel. It's just out of your sight right here, but let's see it too. Nice ride through this car. I'm in third gear. We're doing almost 50 miles an hour, and the car is comfortable. There's that suicide knob, which makes it easy to steer. Just grab this pivots while you're steering. A nice feature from back in the 50s. A little bit of typical wind noise around those wing windows up front. Actually pretty quiet for the 1954 car that this is. Very nice interior, seats, door panels, headliner. We do have windows in the back that are able to roll down for the rear seat passengers. Nice smooth shifting. The brakes feel good and they're also smooth. It does lean about as much as you'd expect in the corners, but it corners nicely, quiet. Gives it a lot of RPMs up there. A great cruiser, nice ride on the highway from this 1954 Plymouth Plaza. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.